Okay, so this video is just going through lesson 7 from Friday's homework in our theory workbook. So let me turn my keyboard off really quick. Okay, so this page is really just being able to identify how notes move throughout sheet music. Okay, and it's going to be pretty simple. So let's look at this first example. We did some on Friday, but since these notes are moving up, you see this is a C. If we're talking bass clef, which is our left hand, this would be a lower C, and it goes up to the next line to D, and it goes up to the space, which is E. So in this box, you would write up. And then here, it stays on F, right? It's not going up a space or down a line. It's on the same line throughout. So it's the same note being played in a row, 3 times in a row. So you would write repeat. And then here, it's going from A down to G to F. So you would write down, right? Because it's moving down the staff lines, okay? And here it's going from E to D to C. Again, it's moving down, so you would write down. And here, this is lower C. You do not know this note yet, but that's not important right now. What is important is noting that it's on the same space in the staff lines throughout it, right? So it's the same exact note. It's not going up a line or up a space. It's not going down a line or down a space. So it's the same note, which means you play the same key 3 times in a row. So you would write repeat, right? Again, the notes are moving up. Starts at a line, goes to the space up to the next line. So you would write up. Here goes from C to B to A. It's going down the staff lines, so you would write down. Here it's on B, right? It's not going up a space, it's not going down. It's on the same line throughout. So it's the same note, the same key. So you would write repeat, right? Here it's going up. It's going from D to E to F, so you would write up. From G down to F to E down. It's on the same line, it's D. So you're playing the D 3 times in a row, so it's repeat. Here it's going from E to F to G, so you're going up, so you write up. Here, this is lower A, you don't know this note, but it's on the same space throughout, right? So you would write repeat because it's the same note 3 times in a row. Here it's going from B to A to G. So you would write down because it's moving down the staff lines. Here it's E 3 times in a row. So it's repeat. And here it goes from A to B to C. And it's going up. So you write up. And that is lesson 7.